It's too late now to turn around and back again. I made my bed and now I lay my head.
So inside this cabinet underneath here, I don't know if you remember, but we had the cookie sheets that were on this side, which is all the same. But on this side, I had the tops to the pots and pans. And well, I just decided that was taking up too much room into the cabinet itself. So instead I have the pots and pans, like tops down here, the pots and pans. And then I got this adjustable shelf from Bed Bath & Beyond, which is great. I ended up getting a small air fryer that goes on top because I just needed this is such a tall cabinet. I needed, to break up the space. So our Ninja for blending, charcuterie board, and then a pop-up strainer. So this works out so much better, and I'm glad I made that change. So these cabinets up here are kind of my favorite because they have all of our dishes in there. So we have all of our dishes, and we actually have, those shelf liners. We actually have a piece of that in between each of our plates and in between each of our bowls. So that keeps, so when they're on top of each other and we're moving around, they're not rattling and they're not gonna break. Which is awesome. So then we have one of these racks right here. Again, same thing with a shelf liner on it to keep the bowls themselves from moving around. Awesome. Kind of same thing up here. Smaller plates with the shelf liner between, and then this is our coffee. So that ended up working out really well. So kind of the same thing. This shelf, I had already showed you guys this adjustable shelf that I had purchased from Amazon. So this ended up being all of our coffee cups, hydro flasks, and our shaker cups for protein. And then just up top is kind of some miscellaneous bowls, some kind of glassware, and a vase just in case, flowers.
Take me back, all of our broken plans, so we can start again. Won't turn down a second chance, I'm too selfish for that.
So this is kind of fun. I ended up getting a couple of the curtain rods, like the tension rods, one to hold all the stuff that's up there, so things when they slide around, they can't fall off of that shelf, or it's actually a bed as like a sleeping loft, but we're using it for storage. I ended up getting 1, 2, 3 of those tension rods that go across to keep everything in there, but I also ended up getting two curtains that are actually valance, basically, for the top of curtains. But either way, I ended up getting those. They worked out great. They're a little long, so we had to tuck them in, but I think it's awesome kind of being able to hide our storage up there. So the garage has kind of been an amazing thing. It kind of looks kind of messy, but it's kind of been the collector of just a lot of random stuff that doesn't have a place in your regular day-to-day life. Hello, little miss. Well, so we have our desk situation over here with our laptops. We have our dirty hampers. One is our regular clothes and the other one is towels and Tyler's work clothes. Those cannot be mixed. And then our washer dryer. I cannot wait to show you guys everything that we love about that thing. And things we don't like. There are some things that we aren't not gonna like about everything, and that's okay. So for our bedroom, kind of wanted to show you guys how it kind of ended up. Really cute. Really loving it, honestly, guys. It's more than enough space. I know it seems kind of small, but honestly, you don't spend much time back here. It's to sleep, wake up, do your next day, So underneath the bathroom sink, we have these little drawers. These worked out really cool. I got these from Amazon. I couldn't find them anywhere else. The same exact size. I think these are meant for shoes. But either way, these work out really cool. I have them stacked in there. Next to it is our curling irons, or I guess my curling irons. Makeup brushes are in this big boxy thing up here. I have a command hook that's all the way up here that you can't see, but it's a command hook that hangs the blow dryer. So everything fits. It might feel a little bit crowded, but it does fit. So this is our medicine cabinet. So I took the advice of one of the YouTube channels we follow online, and they suggested putting a magnetic knife holder in the back of your medicine cabinet, and that just allows you to put your tweezers and your eyebrow scissors and everything like that kind of up and out of the way and where you can always find them. So that was a really good tip. And then so everything fit really well. We didn't have a problem with that. In our drawers in the bathroom, everything kind of worked out really well. Same thing. Makeup. These are really big drawers, guys. I'm super surprised. I actually just took this entire clear thing that was in my vanity at home, threw it in here. All my makeup fits really well. I didn't have to get rid of anything. Next drawer is hair stuff and some washcloths for my face. Yeah, again, same thing. Literally just threw everything from my hair drawer into it. And then this one's all sunscreens and kind of like nail stuff, nail cuticle oil and stuff like that. Random things, but yeah, easy.
I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. So do you wanna take me back? All of our broken plans, so we can start again. Won't turn down a second chance, I'm too selfish for that. I let you fall again, now that you know that. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. You call my bluff, I won't pick up, I let it ring. Record your voice so I can listen back again. I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for